So you had a long day at work. You come home and you don't know what to do for dinner. Should you go out? Should you order in or snack on junk food? But then it dawns on you. Why not make something yourself? You get online and discover just how easy it is. And in no time, your kitchen's filled with a pleasant smell of homemade cooking and tasty treats, all without breaking the bank or spending hours in front of the stove. Plus, you know it's healthier because you cooked it yourself. Welcome to my channel, Recipe 30. It's been a fantastic year for recipes in 2022. I had the privilege of presenting you with 16 new exciting dishes, and judging from your comments, I can confidently say that there were no disappointments. You also got to learn about the miraculous benefits of goat cheese, how extra virgin olive oil should be made, how to save on grocery items and fight inflation, all leading to an incredible food and travel adventure in Bali, Indonesia. So let's rewind to the start of the year and relive those treasured moments. There's so many amazing culinary moments that come to mind, from the best homemade spaghetti meatballs you'll ever eat to this French cheese omelette. Then there was a delicious Tuscan style chicken, now that the world went crazy for. And also a succulent chicken française that was cooked to perfection for a large dinner party. An exciting time for food lovers everywhere. What about a tasty Salisbury steak, a mouth-watering Indian chicken curry, or a scrumptious Italian meatloaf? Yum! Look, it's been such a fun year for cooking. I've loved every moment of getting to share these tasty recipes with you, no matter what your taste preferences are. I hope you've enjoyed revisiting these dishes as much as I have. And a big thank you to all my loyal supporters for your beautiful comments, your support, and your generous super thanks. It's been an amazing year for full-flavoured cuisine, and I couldn't have done it without you. So thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you very early in 2023. And from us, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next year. Come. Come here. Okay, it's not working too well, is it?